Marie Curie, pioneering scientist and Nobel laureate. Marie Curie, born Maria Sklodowska on November 7, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland, stands as a monumental figure in the history of science. Her groundbreaking research on radioactivity not only earned her 2 Nobel Prizes but also significantly advanced our understanding of atomic physics and chemistry. Curie's life is marked by intellectual rigor and profound contributions to science, characterized by perseverance and dedication to research. From a young age, Curie demonstrated an exceptional aptitude for learning, encouraged by her father, a teacher of mathematics and physics. Her early education faced obstacles due to Poland's political climate under Russian control, which imposed severe restrictions on Polish intellectuals. Nonetheless, Curie excelled academically and, in 1891, moved to Paris to pursue higher education at the Sorbonne. It was here that she adopted the French version of her name, Marie, and began her long association with the scientific community. At the Sorbonne, Curie's academic prowess quickly became evident. She earned degrees in physics and mathematics, becoming the first woman to teach at the institution. During this period, she met Pierre Curie, a distinguished physicist recognized for his work on piezoelectricity. Their professional collaboration soon developed into a personal partnership, leading to their marriage in 1895. The Curie's joint research led to the discovery of 2 new elements, polonium, named after Marie's native Poland, and radium, in 1898. Their pioneering work on radioactivity, a term Marie coined, revolutionized the scientific community's understanding of atomic theory. The discovery of these elements opened new avenues in physics and chemistry and laid the groundwork for significant medical advancements, particularly in cancer treatment. In 1903, Marie Curie, along with Pierre and Henri Becquerel, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their collective research on radiation phenomena. This accolade made Marie the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize. However, her journey was fraught with personal and professional challenges. The untimely death of Pierre in 1906, caused by a tragic accident, left Marie devastated. Despite her grief, she continued their work, succeeding Pierre as the head of the laboratory and advancing their research on radioactivity. In 1911, Curie received a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discoveries of radium and polonium and her investigation of radium's properties. This achievement made her the first person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. However, the period leading up to this second Nobel Prize was marred by personal scandal and public scrutiny due to her relationship with physicist Paul Langevin. Despite these challenges, Curie's contributions to science and medicine were immense. During World War I, she recognized the potential of X-ray technology for medical diagnostics on the battlefield. Together with her daughter Irene, Curie developed mobile radiography units, known as Little Curies, which were used to diagnose and treat wounded soldiers. This innovative application of her research saved countless lives and highlighted her dedication to applying science for humanitarian purposes. Curie's later years were dedicated to advancing scientific research and promoting the practical applications of her discoveries. She founded the Radium Institute, now the Curie Institute, in Paris, which became a leading center for medical research and treatment. Additionally, her work inspired future generations of scientists, including her daughter Irene Joliot-Curie, who, along with her husband Frederick Joliot-Curie, won a Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1935 for their discovery of artificial radioactivity. Marie Curie's legacy extends far beyond her scientific achievements. She broke barriers for women in science, serving as a role model and paving the way for future female scientists to pursue careers in fields traditionally dominated by men. Her commitment to scientific inquiry, despite numerous personal and professional obstacles, exemplifies the perseverance and dedication required to achieve groundbreaking discoveries. Curie's research not only contributed to the theoretical understanding of radioactivity but also had profound practical implications. The development of radium-based treatments for cancer, known as radiotherapy, revolutionized medical approaches to oncology, offering new hope to patients worldwide. Moreover, her establishment of research institutions and training programs ensured that the next generation of scientists could build upon her work, fostering a legacy of continuous innovation. Marie Curie's life and work demonstrate the enduring power of curiosity and the quest for knowledge. Her pioneering research laid the foundation for modern atomic physics and chemistry, and her contributions to medicine have had a lasting impact on public health. As a scientist, educator, and humanitarian, Curie's influence continues to resonate, inspiring new generations to explore the mysteries of the natural world and push the boundaries of human understanding. Marie Curie's story is one of triumph over adversity, a narrative of relentless pursuit of knowledge in the face of societal and personal challenges. Her legacy is not just measured by her scientific accomplishments but also by her role in transforming the landscape of scientific research and setting a precedent for the inclusion and recognition of women in science. Her life's work remains a beacon of inspiration, demonstrating that with dedication and passion, one can achieve extraordinary things and leave an indelible mark on the world.